Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests.
Phenotype questions like this get easy fast when you track what the deletion changes in the protein, not just the disease names. Watch this carefully. The key difference is function. BMD still makes some dystrophin, even if reduced or abnormal, but DMD makes no functional dystrophin, so the mutation must disrupt the protein more severely. That points to a frameshift idea. If a deletion changes the reading frame, every amino acid after the mutation can change, usually destroying the whole protein, which matches the severe DMD phenotype. If the deletion affects only one amino acid, the reading frame can stay intact, so some dystrophin still works. Well done, option B. Scan now. Don't rush by matching labels alone. Trust the given phenotype difference and check how the deletion changes the protein.